Namaste. Myself, Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science at the Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today's the topic is collection of drug substance. In previous lecture, we study uh, the sources of drug, and in this lecture we study the how to collect drug. Dr. Henneman in the Organ of Medicine does not clearly mention the process of collection of homeopathic drug substance. After that, he advised that he has given forms of fundamental and preparing of drugs. Process of collection in a drug substance is an important part of preparing a drug, and it is pure and genuinity of the drug. According to aphorism 264, the true physician must be provided the genuine medicine of impaired strength so that he may be able to rely upon their therapeutic power. Uh, Collection of the kingdom, there the some general rules are: at the time of collection, purity and genuinity of the original drug substance must be ensured. Drug substance should be collected by qualified or experienced botanist who has good knowledge about the taxonomy or systemic botany. He must be also have basic knowledge of homeopathy pharmacy, like medicinal plants as far as possible should be collected from region where they are indigenously grown. All the vegetable substance should be procured fresh as far as possible, except those who have to import it from outside. Plant collect should be in a healthy, well-developed state, free from worms, insect, or as if direction of the particular drug or drug in the homeopathy pharmacopoeia. All those in the decayed uh, state should be discarded. The plant collected should show no discoloration, abnormal odor, slimness, or any sign of deterioration. Wild plants are preferably to cultivated ones, or medicinal virtue is greatest in them. Also, they are derived best of the nature and soil in enhance their two characteristic. For example, wild belladonna grows in the soil rich in calcium. Plants having a woody consistency withered must be discarded. The time of collection, gather the plant is fine and sunny weather. Clearly collect early in the morning, just after the disappearance of morning dew. Never collect the drug substance during the morning dew. Do not collect after a shower. Collecting during excessive heat of the day is not recommended. After collection, clean the drug material carefully so that any part of it is not eroded. Never wash with profuse water if unavoidable. Use much as is necessary. Packing. The plant thus collected must not be packed too closely. Address plants should be packed separately so that their odor may not be transmitted to others. They must be they must be used quickly, preparing the substance so that may be yield to full medicinal strength unchanged. Particular rules of collecting of drug substance from exotic plant. They should never be imported in powder or pulverized form. Proper identification to their genuineness must be made. Narcotic plants should be collected while in bloom, in just before when coming into the bloom. Dried plant. After collection, they should be clearly dried by tying them to loose bundles and hanging them in the shade, protected from sun and rain. Whole plant means whole plant with root collected during the flowering season when partially flower and partly in bud. Collected in sunny weather, carefully clean the plant by shaking, brushing, or gently rubbing. Washing with a lot of water should be avoided. Roots should be used fresh. They should be free from molds, dampness, have a woody appearance. Collect roots by the cutting just under the stem, avoiding using much water for cleaning. Process the material as soon as the possible after colloid to prevent deterioration. Roots of annuals. Collect the early autumn season. Roots of biennials. Collect the spring of the second year. Root of perennials. Collecting the second and third year, they develop woody fibers. Stem should be collected after the development of leaves. Wood collected in early spring of late autumn before the juice are exhausted. Collect the mature young trees or tree-like shrubs. Barks should be collected from the mature vigorous young tree. Barks or resinous tree should be collected at about the time of development of leaves and blossom. Non-resinous barks are collected in late autumn. Young shoots collect in spring when the whole plant is full vigor. Leaves, only fully developed leaves should be collected. Twigs, those are the current years are only collected. Flowers collected in the dry weather when partially bud and partially blossom. Fruits and dries and berries, unless specified otherwise, collect when they fully ripe. Dry fruit seeds are stored in well-closed containers. Hope you understand the collection of the drugs from plant kingdom. Namaste.